So I just finished work, just rolling into Ethan's now. Tried to video some stuff for you guys the other day with me actually dropping the car off at Ethan's, because for you guys that don't know, it's actually here. But I forgot, and well, I didn't forget, I videoed some stuff and then I fucking deleted it by accident, but now I've got the camera and doesn't look like anybody else is here, so we'll try to get some footage for you. Just wanted to put you on YouTube, G.
Gee, fuck you, G.
And Matt, I want to put him on YouTube. He cummed on his fucking shirt.
Potato gravy, baby.
Potato gravy,
I
baby.
I can't believe I'm made it onto your channel.
Bro, you're famous now. I'm gonna put your Instagram hashtag on the screen.
More famous than Ethan now.
I'm more famous than Ethan. What's your TikTok?
I don't have.
Why not?
Fuck that shit.
Whatever.
No, I don't like it.
You on it?
Gay.
You on it?
No, I'm not.
He is He's on it. Yeah, Dundee says he's on it. You gonna take off your shirt?
I'm gonna cum stain on it.
Yeah, cum stain on
gravy, baby.
Potato gravy, baby. So we're at Hype Hour, as I was just saying before in the car, and all the people that are gonna make fun of me have left, so we're just here with Matt, and we're just looking at what Ethan and Dundee have done, because I know, oh shit, dirty lens, my like one follower on it, I mean my 1,200 followers on YouTube will want to see what's been going on, you know? You know?
Yeah, some special tricks over here.
Yeah? Some stuff, yeah? A little bit of sauce. So we got a catch John, some line John. Ethan redid this pipe because he didn't like it because I had the penis for the blow-off valve there. So we got rid of the penis.
You gonna spray paint this one?
Yeah, spray paint it. Put my idle air control valve there, idle air intake. Oh, what is it? Air intake. IAT. Intake air temperature sensor. Fuck, that was hard to get out.
Going back to school, bro.
Go back to school, yeah. We put a fitting in here for my boost solenoid, so he's gonna go from there to there and then there to the wastegate. And what you guys can't really see, because I can't get under the car. Oh, you can just see it there. So they V-banded at the front. We got a muffler around about there somewhere, adrenaline. Then we got another V-band. And then if we jump around the back here, we got some shotties. And you can kind of see the exhaust out through here. See if I can zoom in. Oh, we got a flexi in there somewhere as well. But anyway, you guys get the gist. We got the fab work done. So now I think it goes to Brian on Friday to get the Heltec finished. And that wired up and the IAT wired up. And then we make some powers.
Yeah.
How many?
270.
270.
Maybe 300, eh?
300. What, horsepower?
Yeah.
Nah, not kilowatt, jeez.
Kilohertz, bro.
Kilohertz. Kilowasps. Yeah, no, that's about it really. Because if I make that much, she may not last long. We'll hear some of this. Touch wood.
Just wait a few minutes, you might see a proper car coming, eh?
Wait a few minutes, see a proper car coming. Well, we might as well talk about some other cars once we're here. This is what's this fella's name?
Customer, bro.
Customer. Big snail, yin yang spinny thing on the side here.
RB32.
Look at that. RB32. Big gate, what's that? 60 mil?
Yeah, 60.
What manifold's that? 6 boost?
Cinco.
Cinco. Well, we got some Hyperchong stuff on here.
Block racing bottom.
Block. Oh, see, Matt knows. Matt knows his RBs.
Extended sum.
Extended sum. What else? Trigger kit.
Trigger setup, yeah. What pumps you got? I don't know what it is. I think it's just a standalone ring next to it. Oh,
but,
no. I think it's another.
So, some sort of pump, because you can't have a factory pump with shit like this because it'll just blow the gears to pieces. 3.2, so it's stroked out, RB30 bottom end and 26 head. So yeah, basically all the shit to make big dick power, because everybody that comes to Ethan apart from me has massive wangs. We got Ganadors because anybody that doesn't have Ganadors is a fag. Nah, just kidding.
I want some of these.
You want some of what?
Adjustable.
Oh yeah.
Automatic. That's cool.
That's from the Cabernet, and it's a bit 2000 spec in here for me, but it's kind of tidy, I guess. Kind of cool. Ethan's shop car, drift car, and then Frosty's big 7. But anyways, that's all I'm going to do for this video. Just a little update of the fabrication, and hopefully we'll get some clips on Friday of the dyno, and we will splice them all together, and you guys will see all that shit. But yeah, peace.